In this video, we will be installing high-performance LED reverse lights on a 2000 Ford Excursion. The housing assembly is held on by 4 Trox size T15 screws. Once those screws are removed, the housing assembly can be pulled directly out. This is the brake light, and this is the reverse light. To remove the old bulb, turn the socket counterclockwise and pull directly out. Once you have the socket out, simply pull the old bulb out of the socket. We will be replacing it with an Ayla Lighting high-performance LED bulb, size 3157, 5730, 33W. The base plugs are physically identical and will easily fit the same size socket. Insert the new LED bulb into the socket until it snaps into place. Line up the tabs on the socket, insert the socket with the bulb back into the housing, and turn clockwise to secure it. Then secure the housing assembly back onto the car by tightening the 4 screws. Now repeat the process for the other side. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.